नगर मधील विश्वसनीय नाव कराळे मॅथ्स अकॅडमी, गॅरंटी ऑफ एक्सलंट रिझल्ट आणि बीके फिजिक्स अकॅडमी, एक उज्ज्वल यशासाठी.
लॉकडाऊन काळात खास घेऊन येत आहे 10वीतून 11वी सायन्स साठी प्रवेश घेणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी घर बसल्या फ्री ऑनलाईन क्लासेस. दिनांक 3 जून पासून सुरू. 11वीचा पाया भक्कम करण्याबरोबरच सुरुवातीपासून MCQ एक्झाम जसे की CET व JEE ची दर्जेदार तयारी करिता
आजच आपला प्रवेश निश्चित करा. अधिक माहितीसाठी संपर्क 9923222488 9130143631. विजिट www.karalemaths.blogspot.in.
Hello student, so now we are in the problem set number 1. The lesson complex number. Problem set first. Let's see the question or the solution for the homework section. Question number 1, beat number 2. What is this? So let z is equals to 4 square root of minus 4 plus 5 square root of minus 9 minus 3 square root of minus 16. Right? First of all, we have to write it is in terms of the complex number. So how to write it? Is equals to 4. I can write like this: 4 root minus 1 plus 5 root 9 root minus 1 minus 3 root 16 root minus 1. Is it? 4 minus 1s are minus 4 minus 9 minus 16. Now put square root of minus 1 is equals to I. Square root of minus 1 is equals to I. Therefore z is equals to 4. Root 4 is a 2. 4 2s are 8. Root minus 1 is a I plus 5. Root 9 is a 3. Root minus 1 is a I minus 3. Root 16 is a 4. Root minus 1 is a I is equals to, this is 8I. I 3s are 59. Then plus of minus 4 3s are 12 I. So therefore z is equals to 15 minus 12, 3 plus 8, that is equals to 11I. Is it so? Next one. Question number 2. Write the conjugate of the complex number. First bit 3 plus I. Orally सांगून टाकतो कारण हे simple bit आहे. Conjugate will be 3 minus I. Second bit 3 minus I. Conjugate is a 3 plus I. Next, third bit minus root 5 minus root 7I. Conjugate will be minus root 5 plus root 7I. Fourth bit cover केलेला आहे. Fifth bit 5I. Conjugate will be minus 5I. Bit number 6 root 5 minus I. Conjugate will be root 5 plus I. Next, bit number 7 root 2 plus root 3. Conjugate will be root 2 minus root 3. So I covered bit number 8. Next, question number 3. Third question. Question 3. So what is that question? Find A and B. In that we have covered first 3 bit. So fourth bit it was for your homework. A B I is equals to 3A minus B plus 12I. A B I is equals to 3A minus B plus 12I. So what is the technique to solve such type of question? On one side try to convert one complex number. Now simply shift either the A or the B to the left side. So just I'm shifting this minus B to the left side. You may shift this 3A to the left side. So it will gives you B plus ABI is equals to 3A plus 12I. On left side, so we have one complex number. On right side, so we have one complex number. By equality, by equality we get. What is the real part on left side? B. Real part on right side is equals to 3a. Next, imaginary part on left side. Imaginary part on left side. Or you may shift like this. Okay, leave it. What is the imaginary part? EB is equals to. Imaginary part on right side is equals to 12. Now, put let it be the equation number 1, let it be the equation number 2. So put B is equals to 3A in equation number 2. And we get, so what we get? A. We are replacing B by 3A. So it is 3A is equals to 12. This gives 3A square is equals to 12. Again, this will use you 3 4s are. A square is equals to 4. This will use you A is equals to plus or minus 2 square root of 4. Therefore, B is equals to. What is B? B is equals to. Therefore, B is equals to 3. First A as a 2. This will use you B as a 6. Therefore, A is equals to 2. And B is equals to, for this value, corresponding value of B is 6. Therefore, B is equals to 3 into next value of the A is a minus 2. This will use you as a minus 6. Therefore, A as a minus 2. And B is equals to minus 6 for this question. So, there are pair of values of the A and B. So we have covered the 5th bit from this question. Next, bit number 6. So what is that 6th bit? It is A plus bit number 6, A plus IB, or you may write it as a BI, then 1 plus I as a 2 plus I. A plus IB multiplied by 1 plus I is equals to 2 plus I. Let's see. On right side, so we are having one complex number. Simply take this multiplication. A into 1 it is A plus A into I is a AI plus IB into 1 is a IB, write it as a BI, and IB into I is a B, I square is equals to 2 plus I. Now put the value. So simply put the value of I square is equals to minus 1. And now take I as a common from these two terms. So it will be A plus, on taking I as a common, it gives A plus B times of I. I square is minus 1. It looks like this, is equals to 2 plus I. Next, plus of minus minus, minus B, write like this, A minus B plus A plus B times of I. Is it A plus of minus minus B, then A plus B times of I is equals to 2 plus I. Now, by equality, we get equality of the two complex number, right? Completely, we get A minus B, real part on left side, real part on right side is equals to 2. Equation number 1, imaginary part on left side is equals to imaginary part on right side, which is equals to 1. Let it be the equation number 2. Simply add. Now by equation number 1 plus 2 we get. So what we get? You know how to add the equations. A plus B. What is 1? 1 is A minus B is equals to 2. second equation a plus b is equals to 1. A plus b is equals to 1. Simply adding a to a plus b minus b get cancelled. 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore, a is equals to 3 by 2. Put this value into either in 1 or in 2. So let's put in 1. Therefore, so this is 1. A 3 by 2 minus b is equals to 2. Shift this b to the right side, shift this 2 to the left side. Therefore, b is equals to 3 by 2 minus 2. Now it is 2 2s are 4. 3 minus 4 is a minus 1 by 2. So this is the last bit from your homework section. Now let's continue with the question number 4. And in last video, so I gave you one question for your homework that's related with the theorem. And what is that theorem? Prove that sum and product of the two conjugate complex number are always real, and the solution it's already included in this study material. Just open the or just come to the page number 2. Theorem is there and solution is there. Means if you got some doubts how to prove it, then simply write down the solution. And again, if you are having any types of doubts, you can ask me. So, question number 4. What the question? Express in the form of a plus bi. AB belongs to R. I is equals to square root of minus 1. State the values of A and B. State the values in the sense what? Write what is A, what is B. What is A and B? These are the real parts and imaginary part. Now, let's see the first bit. What is this? So, let Z answer 1 plus 2i multiplied by minus 2 plus I. First of all, we need to take this multiplication. So it will be 1 multiplied by bracket minus 2 plus I, then plus 2i multiplied bracket minus 2 plus I. Is it? So Z is equals to 1 into anything is anything, minus 2 plus I, plus of minus 2 2s are 4i, 2 2s are 4i, plus 2 I into I is a I square into I square. So let's see this question. Now what is this? It's a minus 2 plus I minus 4i plus 2 times of I square is equals to. So it's minus 2 plus of minus means I minus 4i, that is minus 3i, minus 2 plus minus 3i, I square 2, I square as a minus 1. So Z is equals to, so it is plus of minus again minus 2 minus 3i. So it will be minus 4 minus 3i. Now comparing with Z is equals to A plus BI. We get A, the real part, minus 4. B as the imaginary part, which is minus 4. Is that clear? So write it fast. So this is the first bit from the question number 4. Next, second bit. So let Z is equals to 1 plus I. Now that's 1 minus I raised to minus 1. Now, first of all, we need to simplify this expression. So, note down the question. Just wait. So, let's see the simplification. What is this? Z is equals to 1 plus I. Now, if I shift this complex number in the denominator, so it's nothing but 1 minus I by a raised to minus k is equals to 1 upon a raised to k. Is it? Is equals to 1 plus I, 1 minus I. Now, we need to take this division. So, way of taking the division of the two complex number is multiply both numerator and denominator by conjugate 1 plus I. So, as a 1 plus I. Next. But the numerator? Numerator is 1 plus I multiplied by 1 plus I. It means 1 plus I bracket square. Like the x into x, we write it as a x square. A plus b, a minus b. Formula is a square minus b square. Now it is I square. So z is equals to expand the numerator with the help of a plus b bracket square. So a square as a 1 plus 2 into I as a 2i. Now it is I square. Then 1 square is 1 minus I square is a minus 1. So is equals to 1 plus 2i. I square is a minus 1 divided by minus of minus plus 1 plus 1 is 2. So is equals to 1 minus 1. I square is minus 1. This is get cancelled. So it is simply 2i by 2, which is equals to I. That is, I can write like this, 0 plus 1i. Now, from z is equals to a plus bi, we get a as a 0 and b is equals to 1. What is a? Is the real part, which is 0. What is b? Is the imaginary part, which is 1. So, write it first. Next, so take a third bit for your homework purpose. Now let's see the fourth bit. Third bit will be for your homework from this question. Now fourth question, bit number 4. So z is equals to So what is that fourth bit? Fourth bit 2 plus I 3 minus I 1 plus 2I 2 plus I 3 minus I multiplied by 1 plus 2I. Now first of all take this multiplication, means multiplication of the two complex number in the denominator. 3 into 1 it is 3. 3 2s are 6i. Then plus of minus minus I. Then minus of plus. It's a minus 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 2 I into I as a I square. Is it? So z is equals to 2 plus I divided by 3 plus 6i minus I. is a 5i. 6i minus I is a 5i. Minus 2. I square is a minus 1 is equals to 2 plus I divided by 3 plus 5. Now minus of minus it is plus 2. So 2 plus I divided by 3 plus 2 5 plus 5. Now this bit it reduces like the solution of the bit number second. Now rest of the solution will be for your homework. Is it? So this is the fourth bit. Now let's see the fifth bit. Star mark this fifth bit. Star mark fifth bit. So Z is equals to what is that fifth bit? It is 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I raised to 2. And answer it is minus 1 and 0. Now, way to solve is the firstly take the division of this complex number. This is the first way. Or the second way is that a plus b bracket square, a minus b bracket square. Use such kind of expansion. Now, let's take division of this complex number. So it is 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I. Now, so we multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator, which is 1 plus I. So it is 1 plus I. It is 1 plus I. Bracket square. Just we are multiplying denominator and numerator both by conjugate of the denominator. So Z is equals to 1 plus I, 1 plus I. It means 1 plus I bracket square. One more square is there. Our a plus b, a minus b formula is a square minus b square. 1 square is 1 minus I square is equals to, expand with the help of a plus b bracket square, a square 1, it's a 2 into I, 2I, again it is I square, one more bracket square is there. You see, I square is minus 1, so it looks like this, 1 minus of minus 1. Now just we are putting the value of I square as a minus 1, Z as 1 plus 2I plus I square as a minus 1. Minus of minus plus, it becomes 2 bracket square. Now it is, so it is 1 plus 2I, then plus of minus, minus 1 divided by 2 bracket square. This is get cancelled, so it is 2I by 2. So finally, it's only I square, and you know that I square is equals to minus 1, and I can write like this, minus 1 plus 0I. Our interest it is to write the given complex number in the form of a plus bi, and then by comparison, so from Z is equals to a plus bi, we get what is a is the real part, which is minus 1. What is b is the imaginary part, which is 0. Is it? So write it fast. This is the bit number 5th bit from this question. Next one, let's see the bit number 6. Again it is interesting bit from the same question. Now what is this? So Z is equals to So what is the bit number 6 is the 3 plus 2i divided by 2 minus 5i plus 3 minus 2i divided by 2 plus 5i. See, 3 plus 2i upon 2 minus 5i plus 3 minus 2i upon 2 plus 5i. Let's see the solution. First of all, we'll use the concept a by b plus c by d. In short, addition by cross multiplication. So it's a into d plus b into c divided by b into d, like this. Is it? So let's see the solution. Therefore, z is equals to 3 plus 2i multiplied by 2 plus 5i plus 3 minus 2i multiplied by 2 minus 5i. Is it? 3 plus 2i, 2 plus 5i. 3 minus 2i, 2 minus 5i. Answer product. 2 minus 5i multiplied by 2 plus 5i. So in numerator, you need to take the multiplication of the two complex number like this. So z is equals to 3 2s are, so it's like this. 3 2s are 6 plus 5 3s are 15i. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15i, then 2 2s are 4i plus 5 2s are 10i square. Next, multiplication of these two complex number plus 3 2s are 6 plus or minus 5 3s are 15i plus or minus 2 2s are 4i, then minus of minus plus 5 2s are 10, it is I square. Is it? Divided by, what is the type of denominator? It's a plus b, a minus b. Formula it is a square minus b square. So it is 2 square minus 5i bracket square. So z is equals to, now 6 plus 6 is a 12 plus 15i plus 4i, it's a 19i. Then I square is a minus 1. 6 with 6 आपण add केले. I square is a minus 1. Then minus, okay, leave it like this. 15 plus minus get cancel. 4i plus minus get cancel. Now it's only 6 plus 6 as a 12. No need to write it. Then plus 10. Value of I square as minus 1. Next, plus 10. Value of I square as a minus 1. Divided by 2 square, 4 minus 5 square, 25. Then it is I square. Is the. So 12 plus or minus 10 plus or minus 10, then 4 minus 25 I square is a minus 1 is equals to, now 12 or minus 10 it's a minus 20. 12 minus 20 minus 8 divided by minus of minus plus. Now it will be the 4 plus 25 as a minus 29. As a minus 29. Now it is in the form of, so therefore z is equals to, what is z? So z it is. So from this calculation, the imaginary part is get removed. So it is minus 8 by 29 can be written as minus 8 by 29 minus 8 by 29 plus 0i, and now from z is equals to a plus bi. So we have, so we get, or we have a, but this a real part, a as minus 8 by 29, and b, what is b? Is the imaginary part, which is equals to 0. Is that clear? So write it fast and simply note down the some question for your homework purpose. In that, beat number 7, beat number 8, and beat number 10 will be for your happy work. So we'll cover the next beat in the next video. So तब तक के लिए okay, thank you, fine, have a nice day. We'll stop here.